Hello, everyone. Okay, that was that thing where I stopped because in my head this sounds very complicated again. How to do this? We have the spawn point. Can I just turn the character over? Do I need the camera to be in a special angle? Now for now, let's find out how to get the facing, and we could get this with the forward vector. Let's see. Right now the forward vector start area is to the... This is north, and it's north, but we are looking east. Then we start, right? Let's see. I do like some random rotation and go in. Ah, it keeps the rotation. Okay. We're not rotating at all. Of course, I mean, why would it? Oh, Shima! Hello, hello. Ohayo. No Konsaru this time. Konsaru doko? Hanashi. Konsaru! Nice, nice. I like it. The location is here. How do I do the rotation in the other thing? Here? Okay, this is different. This is from axis and angle. What I need is the camera thing, which we do here. Right? Here. This. did we get this? Here. Hold on. I did it different, no? Bit rotation. Ah, okay. It is not this. It's my make rotation. Or was it something else? Oh my god, where was it again? Where did I use it? I got to be confused again. Not find it. Where do I use that 2 axes thing again? Where was it? Was it on move? Makes no sense. Oh, it was here. Never mind. With the forward vector and knowing where up is, we can get a rotation and set that. Okay, so we can copy this. And well, not the player, but this avatar. That rotation. Hold on, am I doing rotation somewhere else? Saving it. Current avatar rotation. Damn it. I have to set this too. Maybe I should make a function out of this. Set avatar rotation. And then here is a bool. Dark side. If true, then minus. Like. Hima, いい感じ? Saiko ni いい感じ? 最後? Recently? 最後? どういう意味? 忘れた. Ah. Naるほど。And this is minus. Now make vector so if I say now 1, this thing should be turning to there. Of course I have to set it here. Set avatar rotation. Maybe after the flipping. Ah, wait. I have to set the rotation here too. Am I even using it? Where's my current rotation even? What the hell? Wait. Stupid. Here it is. So. Saru wa dou? Kareta? How to say sleepy? Nemutai, hi. Nemutai. Can I just do this? What do we do here? Do the set rotation. Maybe I don't need this anymore. Maybe. Let's find out. Hawaii. Whoa! It works! Look left! Yes! Now I want them to be upside down. Looking to the left, but because we're upside down, it needs to look to the right. Damn it. the flipping needs still to be happening here. Wait. Oh, it's going to this one. Flip it like this. Now. What? Okay, wait. And looking to the left. Exactly how I wanted it. And then he flips back. So I don't need the flipping actually. Maybe I can set the flipping float inside here then. Take this. Fine. Here. So. Laundry was Sentaku, right? But laundry machine was Sentaku key? What was laundry? Was laundry Sentaku? I don't know. What is laundry? Handpiki? Oh. And how do I say my laundry is finished or ready? Because do I then say Sentaku wa owari? No, I cannot say owari. Mo sentaku wa owarimashita. What's the mo in front? So I can't say owari. Ah, okay. なるほど。そう、はい。洗濯は終わりです。終わりでした。So I have to go be right back and take it out. Owari mashita. Naruhodo. Okay, be right back. Okay. So, having this, we can look. We can just get rid of this, maybe. Tadaima! Well, it does work, but why is my camera not going there? Thing. Ah, of course it's not going there because the avatar is just going. We still need this. Because this is the actor itself. Okay. This was correct. We still need this, but this is also needed. So we can delete this. Then, instead, this real quick. Boop, boop. And then now I would expect the camera being also on the other side now. So we have an invisible floor now. Yes. And we can even walk. Can I switch levels? Huh. Works. Get that. It just works. So this means I can just get rid of this and then this function just does what it does. I look to the right, it should look left. Whoops. And if I now tell this guy, hey, we don't look left, we look up to the north. Well, in this case it's east, but whatever. Now it should look in this direction. If I start, it should look that direction. And if I teleport myself looking somewhere else, it should still look this direction. Yep, it works. Now the only thing we need is the forward vector. And this function is done. Now where do we get the forward? Well, hopefully from the point of interest, which is our spawn point. Whew, okay. This is the spawn points. Forward vector. Interestingly, this was not what I expected. So let's try this. And now we should be looking left, right? Yes. Same thing goes here. Should be looking left. Okay. So now if I go here, go to our spawn points and rotate like 45 degrees. Now it should look to this corner, but I wanted to maybe look this corner. So we add 190 to this. Now access this. We save. Main map. Earth. Go in and it should look here. Ta-da! Now the same thing should be on the other side. If I go here, say this has a payload, dark, save, go back. Now we should be on the other side looking this direction. We cannot see because it's... Ah, yeah, of course it's that, but... wait. I cannot flip my camera. Wait. Right click. Snap view to object. So... Upside down, wait. This one. No, I pressed the wrong one. Object. When I'm upside down, my camera controls also flip, so I have that problem. But yes, it looks the correct corner. Perfect. Can now reverse. This one be minus 45, 90 degrees. And not dark side. And actually delete this, save, and we are done with that. Now, camera rotation. How do I handle the camera rotation? I just... We have many different things we could do. We could say in the payload... We have many different array points. So the first thing is already for darkness. Am I looking for that? Yeah, we are getting for the first element, which is not that good. Maybe I should tag it. There, one of those somewhere else? No. Dark. One is here. One is here. I will. Wait. This is being used? Yes, we have a problem here. Now package done and... Wait, am I doing this double? Hold on. Breakpoints. Breakpoints. The package is done. Oh, is that waiting one for the gate? Oh, it is. Okay, so there are two different things, but it needs to be happen here. Okay. Okay. Is also handled. Shima, 何してるの？見てる？本当？なるほど。怖い。So we have that, but we still want to get rid of this, and we should check if we are using it somewhere else. And we are. With our ARPLings. No, we are not using it for the ARPLings. What is this? Wait function for level. Am I going crazy? Hold on. Wait function for level? Wait function for level? Huh? Why do I have this 2 times? Eh? Uh-oh. I don't like this. Oh god, okay. Okay, let's see. Where does the thing fire? This is the controller. Correct. That's done. Then again, controller. Good. Then controller. Huh? Controller. Never goes to that player thing. Is that when I do the fight? Well, I don't see anything happening here. Let's go to Crystal. I can skip. And then fire. One and second, boom. So, no, actually not like that. When am I using this? Like, not the controller one, that's for sure. But this little guy, when do I use this? If they unbind, then we have to bind here. Wait function for height. Wait, this also unbind. This is bind. No, unbind. Unbind. Huh? Okay, so we have one here. Create. Unbind. This is different. Ah. Level controller. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's also fine. The player, that's... I don't care about the old player. This is using it, but this is unbind. And this is also unbind. This function is never... This is never used. How about this one? Old player, who cares? No. No. I can actually go here and delete those two functions? This and this? Should I? Wait function. Maybe I just didn't clean it up. Could be. Well, we will find out. Bye bye. They're gone now. It compiles. Save all. Let's play. Let's see if that changed anything. Press escape. No, no problems. I mean, okay. We don't need that. Lost that code. Alright, then let's search for this again. So, overworld controller has it here. I have it here. Implemented. And else it is not used. Okay. So now I can refactor this to not get this, but instead search for a phrase or something. Should I make a payload map or something? No, I shouldn't. I mean, my idea would be that the payload doesn't have so many things inside, so searching it and looking for a specific thing shouldn't be an issue. Let's make a helper function. Should be utility. Okay, find first actor, give resize, level load signal, pulse, unpulse handle. What's this? Ah, okay. Thing, payload, thing. Oh, this is interesting. This I can use. But it's not quite what I need. Okay. Get value from tag of a payload array. Payload array. Tag default value is this. And value. So for each, with break maybe, for each with break. Parse into array, this delimiter, full empty, no. Then split this one. Equal exactly this string. Well, actually, I want this other thing. Case insensitive. Wait, this one, please. So if the left side is then true, wait, if it could cut and if this is true, then wait, one here, local variable, local return value, that this one true here, local s, wait, to C, right? Okay. This one is false. Then it is true. This happens. Yes. Like this. If I say like this, would it be in Japanese? そんなこと感じ? 多分. I wonder. Okay, so this works. Not empty. Reload. Oh, what was it? Get value. Hide. Could make a function out of this. Uh-oh. Ah, of course. Oh, really? Not of course. No, something went wrong horribly here. That's fine. Huh? Excuse me? Oh. Hey, Unreal Apprentice. Sure. Just give me a moment. I have to fix this little bug real quick. And probably have fixed it. But yeah, there's not much to see since I just work with dummy stuff, but programming wise, it works. But welcome, welcome. How did you find my stream? Alright, seems to work now. So basically, the idea is you are a little summoner. I have to give them a name yet. You have like this power where you can have some monsters in a formation around you, and you can select like elements corresponding to this formation. And depending on what element you have some skills your monsters will use. So you have these islands in the sky. You go from one island to the next, and you want to jump further to the sky. The islands have two sides where you can jump to the other side, and then different monsters are waiting there and some other layouts, basically. And there are these swarms flying around. Wait. Sorry. There are some swarms flying around, orbiting swarms, and these are like the things that materialize in the floor and are the monsters you fight or fight with. If this guy lands, then we can start a little battle here. Basically, you are in this little arena thing. It's a turn-based RPG in that sense. And then you have like your formation and the enemy formation. Now we are in the fire side, which is an offensive thing, but we can, for instance, change to the crystal side and do a little magic barrier that will stop incoming attacks. Now, the enemy can attack me because they are faster right now, but we can defend against these attacks because these monsters are rather good against magic. And we have a little sphere here indicating that will be a shield, whatever. And now if they attack me, they cannot go through. And there is like water, air, lightning, and earth, which have their own strong points. But fire is for magic attacks. Now they will try to fight me, but they cannot go through this thing. And we can fight back though, without getting any damage. And then it's over. So after that, now I collected some energy from them. And there's this exit point where you have to go, this thing. But before we can go in there, we need to collect some key of sorts, which are in caves like these. You can go, collect it. And in those caves you can find other things too, and so on. And then you go here, set the energy in, and then you can enter it, and you are in the next level. And this goes on, and you find more attacks, new stuff, and so on. Basically, that's the core aspect of this game. Yeah, thanks, but it is heavily, how to say, inspired by another game, an old game called Jade Cocoon 2. So if you know that game, this will be extremely similar to that. I can delete all of this, I think. Are you a developer too? You have Unreal in your name. Well, we never stop learning. But if you have any questions, I can help you. I'm working with Unreal now for 6-7 years, something like that. But started this project, which is my first project, like last year, end of May. Before that, I used Unreal not for games, but for advertisement things. I still am working there. This is my little hobby project of sorts. I did program this game in Unity first, which I did for 6 months, I think. Then I came to a place where everything was very, very complicated, so I stopped for 2 years. And then I figured I start again. And then I didn't want to go to Unity anymore because my skills in Unreal were way better. Land spaces, and I realized thread safe method or never friendly AI side. AI side as in the logic in the game, what agent can do? Or what do you mean by AI? Okay, now we have this. This is done, but we saw that we have some other issues. After battle, run animation goes on. Triggering a battle, run keeps going. Run 2. And entering cave, run animation goes on. We have to say fix these 3 things. I'm working on a project now. And do multiple. Ah, I see. Well, good luck, man. Passion projects are always hard. Triggering, I want to start with this guy first. Let's see, not this, but probably this thing. Let me go to this. Hit exit delay to initialize mesh. Go. That run animation should be run. This thing we need on the other thing too, which is waiting function for level. Fade out, get delay. I just set it there and then everything's fine. Let's try. Oop. If I now go into that place again, here now it should stop the animation, right? Stop. Okay, so this is not the correct place. Now I have to actually read. Initialize root, fade out. Ah! Enable controls, there it is. Okay, never mind. Tell me if you had a chance to go back to the beginning of learning Unreal as a newbie. Huh. Well, I'm not sure if I would do anything differently, because I learned like cold turkey from my workplace. I started there, never touched Unreal before, and I was like, okay, I'm here, what do I do? They gave me Unreal and I was like, oh, okay, I have to learn this. Then I just poked with the project that was in there already, and then I learned from there bit by bit. I had programming knowledge from Unity already, so it wasn't that hard, but it is different with this execution lines and visual programming from there. But I had someone that helped me to wrap my head around programming in general. But Unreal, I would just say, just play around with it. Just go in and give yourself a little task, like I want a little sphere in a level and I want to use my arrow keys to move it around, and then try to learn little things there. I wouldn't do anything different, actually. The best teacher is getting your hands on that thing and then try things out, and in my opinion at least. In the industry, well, I mean, I'm not in that part of industry where it is really relevant, but yeah, of course, C++ is interesting in that regard, that you can handle memory and threads much better than, or even are able to do these things on C++ and not in Blueprint. But for little things like this, you don't need it. If you're indie, you don't need C++ necessarily. Blueprint and C++, you get a little boost in performance in C++, but if your game doesn't use heavy scripts on tick, you can go with Blueprint and never touch C++. But yeah, for the industry, I'm sure people are looking for C++ developers. It depends. If it's a big studio, they will probably look for the guy who also knows C++ instead of the guy who can only do blueprints. Then again, looking at the game industry right now, there are so many layoffs in AAA studios. I'm not sure if that's the way to go anymore. Oh, this didn't work. Why didn't this work, is the question. But yeah, having C++ knowledge is kinda good if you are even only using blueprints, because you can... Some things are not possible with blueprints, like reading information from disk. You would need to expose functionality. And if you know some things that Unreal does but doesn't give you in blueprint functionality, you can expose them yourself and then use that. I do that in my workplace if some things are needed, but I'm not a C++ programmer. I just look into the code, expose things, and then hope for the best. But it does go here. Why doesn't this work then? Did I not make a breakpoint? God damn it. Another good thing about blueprints is, like, compiling is so fast. While when you do C++, you have to wait ages for it to compile. Here, I just press a button and it's done. Helps with the development speed. Also, if I use blueprints, my idea would be I have less problems packaging this thing afterwards. Because with C++, you also have to be sure that you do not things that Unreal doesn't like afterwards, like plugins and so on. I'm not sure. But if I only use the blueprints I have here, then I should be fine without any dependencies. Well, now let's see what happens here. Input router. Are these all false or what? Ah, okay. Of course, then this needs to be idle. Now it should work. Let me get the breakpoint away again. But yeah, Unreal itself has some very, very funny bugs though. But you have strange behaviors in all engines. And it stopped. Well, it stopped too late for my taste. Get this somewhere else. Fade out. Where do we use this again? Here. Can I do it here then? No, it should hide that, right? Yeah, now it looks better. Okay, one task done, 2 more to go. Entering cave, now for the battle thing. First, when I trigger a battle while running, it will keep running. I don't want that. Where does it start actually? I didn't touch that code for ages now. Warp links, this one I think. Yeah, there it is. Touch player. Could be this one. If we touch player, we are still here. Initialize standard battle, prepare battle. I guess it's this here. Do we invalidate the input? Here maybe? No. Where do I stop the input? Do I even stop the input? What's going on here? Hold on. Touch the player. Let controller initialize and then prepare. Touch enable to something else. Here. Right side. That mode. Here effects. Maybe here with the explode thing. Because this should just set the mode that we don't care about. Wait. Maybe that's the problem here. I maybe never disabling. Okay. First. Wait. I am freezing and disabling controls. So here I actually need to also say that the running should stop. But I do disable the controls here, which does this, meaning that it goes here into false, which means it cannot walk anymore. So why? Okay, prepare this thing. Let's see what happens at breakpoint. Wait, maybe we should first make sure that my observation was correct. Also, one other thing about C++ and blueprints. You will always find people saying, oh, blueprints, that's for beginners and so on. But actually, it's just the same. In C++ you have maybe more exposed things, but most of the time for a game like this, you don't need to use those. In C++, you have to keep a style to have everything in order to not be piled on by text, so you don't lose your orientation. You have the same thing with blueprints. If you just connect stuff, you will not be able to read your code anymore. This went through, but I didn't look at if I was walking or not. I can still walk. That I didn't see wrongly, so let's see what's going on here. Ah, this happens later, that's why. Needs to happen at that touch. instead of it being here, visibility is still needed, but here we need the thingy. Not only that, we also have to layer tar animation set and execute command idle do animation. Now where do we put this? Let's put it in the end. Let's put it here though. Maybe I should make a function out of this, like stop movement or something. Now it stopped. Perfect. Let's stop this. And it moves again. Why? Before that, after battle run emission goes, yes. So this one is done. This one is still a problem because yeah. So the movement is calculated here. Movement should be active then. Meaning one of those is still true. Let's find out. Maybe I have to clear out the input. I mean, yes, probably. I'm not clearing it. Here, please. Yeah, I want it here. Ah, north is true. So yes, this is not getting reset. Where do I reset this? Find that north. Ah, because of the input. Yeah, now I get it. do this. Should be fine. And where was it again? There. Clear movement flags. Okay, now it should be done. Let's see. Stopped. And it's finished. Okay. So that task is also done. Now I make a function out of this to make it a little smaller. Layer. Top. Movements and here flags. And like this. Like this maybe. Copy it over. Enable. Controls. Your movement flags. Avatar. And with idle. Movement and clear. So. All right. Now that should be solved. So. And it is. Alright, another ticket down. Okay, and then now we actually can tackle this finally after days. I was finding one problem after the other. Now, walking orplings. I have the walking animation for them, right? Did I make one? Oh dear lord. Oh yes, I have it. I just put it in here. Oh my god, what the fuck? Here. Guess I never cleaned this. Alright. Does this work already? I wonder. Would be so funny if this works. Nope, of course not. Access not trying to read. Ah, maybe this thing was not initialized yet. I mean, the error must be there, right? Okay. There it is. Later. Here. Now, the animation will be fired, but I believe it is not in the correct place right now, because it needs to do other animations too. Right now it will just keep running now, but that's fine. I just wanted to have it for now, so I can actually see something instead of a dead avatar. Sadly, not work. Why? Access non-trying. Why though? Should be not none right now. And there is one. So going in here is fine. Your animation should be fine. Payload is run. Be it now default. Oh. Stopped. The errors are here. Okay, so where does the first error come from? Here. And so this error NMBP is not set? Cannot be. Initialize visual entity. Parent. No, this is not what we want. Hold on, am I never initializing it? Is that the problem? Might be the problem. Oh, this is the player. This. On. VE. Initialize opening VE. I have an initialize here. Update form. I never use this. Might be a problem. Should I initialize it in here? Could just drag this in and then... Oh, the ID needs to be... I'm sure not doing this. Huh. Okay. We can try. Now it's the question, should I do it here or somewhere else? I guess I go ahead and do this. But if I use this somewhere else, I am. And here I use it outside, so we have to do it that way too. Never mind then. Wait, what do we... Local visual entity name. Where is the name again? It's not in the ID, right? Where do we get this name right now for the other thing? Do we have ID here I could use? Yeah. Put in that then. Still not thing. Oh man, losing my mind again. No VE? What was that then? Why doesn't this work? Should work. I mean, even idle didn't work. Doesn't go to this. The initialization is wrong, probably. What do I do in the battle? Alright, I'm not sure why it's not working, I guess. We have to find out next time. Damn it. Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't the animation run? Well, I'll be damned. It can start as idle. Why? It do? What goes wrong then? Makes no sense. It breaks afterwards. If I have to return with success, then okay, now it makes 0 sense. I didn't change anything on the code. I just said it doesn't go to the return. And all of a sudden it made the animation. And that's scary as hell again. What the fuck? Is it now able to run? I tell you, sometimes this engine is very scary. Extremely scary. I didn't change anything in the code. Like anything. I just unplugged and plugged it again. And now it does it? Well, okay. Then I don't have to solve it tomorrow. I already solved it. By doing this. What the fuck, Unreal? Holy fuck. I swear, yeah, I don't know. The engine will be the end of me. Fuck. Anyway, now we have a run animation. Just like that. Nothing was wrong. The code was okay. It just had some compiling issues, apparently. So whack. Anyway, now that we finished all the tickets and our little Tomati is walking very, very happily around, and make new tickets for tomorrow. Let's see how this guy walks now. Oink, oink, oink. Isn't it so cute? Ima! Ima! まだいる? Ohayo. Look, look, look! Oink. Oink. Net. Teta. Oh, I see. Ate. Tomate? Not tomato? Tomati. Ah, because you cannot write it. Of course. There is no T in Japanese. So I have to write tomatei. That's interesting to know for localization, I guess. Tomatei. How would I translate tomati to Japanese? Toma-chan? Tabun? I don't know. Tomati. Tomatan? Tabun? Who knows? Anyway, it jumps. I'm happy. I didn't have to do anything. Unreal was just very, very, very spicy again. Anyway. Now we can wrap this up. What will we do next time? I was thinking about this. Since we now have a solid base, now we can add some systems to it. We need status, we need an progression system, we need items. So I was thinking, before we do that, maybe I need a solid foundation for the start area so we can add new functionalities there too. And when we have that, maybe we can go to UI systems with combination of some other things. So I would say next time we will go to Blender again and push some pixels or push some vertices. Anyway, let's maybe copy this over here. So, Shima, thanks for tuning in. Plus everyone else, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.